Physics Chapter 18, Question number 12. A satellite orbiting a few hundred kilometers above the Earth's surface will experience a slight frictional drag from the Earth's very thin atmosphere. Draw a diagram to show how you would expect the satellite's orbit to change as a result. How can this problem be overcome if it is desired to keep a satellite at a particular height above the Earth? So what happens is, when you go higher up from the surface of the Earth, the atmosphere's density thins out, but still there would be some atmosphere left. So as a result of that, there is a little bit of a drag force created by the collision of these satellite walls with the air particles in there. So when that happens, it slows down. So when it slows down, you know what happens. When it slows down, its velocity decreases. So if this is the Earth, right? So if there is a satellite here, so it will actually reduce its speed, right? Its speed, velocity will begin to decline. So as a result, what happens is, now imagine that this is the Earth, right? If the satellite has to go in this orbit, right? It is a perfect circle. It should be a perfect circle. What happens is, it will actually, because the speed is reducing, it will start to come closer to it will come to lower orbits, right? It will start to come to a lower orbit, and finally it would come crashing onto the Earth, right? If the speed continues to reduce. So then they are asking, what can you do to keep it in its orbital? So what you can do is, you have to maintain the speed. So to maintain the speed, what you can do is, you can have some booster thrusters or rockets there attached to the satellite, and these rocket boosters can be fired up from time to time to maintain the speed. So that is how you can maintain the speed and the orbital height of a satellite. I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please raise them.